Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add music on your Instagram story. So let's dive in. Open your Instagram, click a story or post, click on story, and what you're going to do is go to your gallery, click on your the video or music you want to add. So let's download. Click on download. I'm gonna search for something. No, my music is not here. Okay, click on videos. Let's say that of videos. I want to add a music to it. Let me click on something random. Okay, let me click this. My photo. I'm gonna click this. Click next. Now this is it. Look at this.